Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow participants to use new chat features while or during a meeting. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings down below in the left side corner. Tap on Meeting at the top. Then scroll down to this In Meeting section. And here you can see this new meeting chat experience button or feature that you can turn on by tapping on this button. So here you can allow participants to delete messages in meeting chat. You can enable the screenshot feature in meeting chat so they can send screenshots during the meeting, and you can allow them to react to meeting chat messages using emojis. If you are done, tap on the save button down below to save these changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.